Well, this, of course, is the worrying story from Delhi. Now, the Delhi government has banned people from taking a dip in the water bodies today on Chhath Puja. This was done considering rising number of COVID-19 cases in the national capital. Not that water bodies were all clear and ready for the event. Just like every year, Yamuna in Delhi was covered with a thick layer of foam, making it look like a frozen lake. But it's all toxic, a result of chemicals and untreated sewage. Arun Singh reports.
I come to you from Delhi's Okhla Barrage, and today is one of the main days of Chhath Puja celebrations. Now, if you remember last year in 2019, pictures from here went viral on the day of Chhath Puja, where people were taking a dip in Yamuna while it was covered with toxic foam. This year is not new. One small change is that there are not going to be any public celebrations of Chhath Puja. At least that is what the Delhi government has said. But as Delhi battles coronavirus and bad air quality, this place shows how bad are the water bodies in the national capital. Experts believe untreated sewage and phosphate is to be blamed for this toxic foam. Many synthetic detergents use phosphate, which eventually turns into this, and untreated sewage also results in what we see here. Now, that's not the only problem here. Now, this is a ghat where you can't really immerse anything which will actually create a blockage here. But that's the entry point of ghat, and while we were recording this, I actually saw someone entering on seeing the camera, although they turned away. But that is where people enter from, and sometimes they immerse things like these in the water, which actually result in water pollution. So that's the condition of Okhla Barrage. Once again, today is Chhath Puja. As I said, public celebrations are banned, so there's at least that relief for this place, but definitely no change. During lockdown, pictures had gone viral once again from here only, where Yamuna was seen cleaning itself, but this is back to the normal, and that has become new normal for Delhi. With camera person Manoj Thakur, Arun Singh for NDTV.